So this is the watchtower in Maribojoc, guys. So sorry sa taaring dapita. Pakuha na tag video. Yan. Watchtower place in Maribojoc, Bohol. So, yes, it's nice. You have to pay entrance 20 pesos. If you have motorbike, it's also 20 pesos. But it's nice. Just like this, nothing else. I think I've been here before with my sister. Yeah, I'm sure we've been here before. Watchtower. This is the watchtower. Nandito yung history niya. Ito. So, ayan. October 2013. Ito yung nag-ano ng lindol. Oo, ito pala yun. Yan, yung 2013.